I'm going to do a mystery box unboxing, so stay tuned so you can see the cool fabrics that I have not seen yet that just came in the mail. Hi everyone, my name is Trey with Piece and Make, and today I have a super fun video. I was gifted fabric from EBT Fabrics, or Elliott Berman Fabrics, out of New York, and they sent me a mystery box of fabric in the mail, so I want to unbox that with you all and let's see the cool stuff that I have. We'll talk about the fabrics, we'll talk about the drape and structure, things like that, and some fun projects that I can do with it. So let's get started. Here's the box that it came in. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm like really excited, y'all. You know how I feel about fabrics. I love them. Okay, I'm gonna try not to look too hard at them yet. So, oh my gosh. All right, so I have 3 fabrics. Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. All right, so sorry, I'm like really excited right now. We're gonna take the pretty bow off. I am nowhere near close to New York, so I am so excited for this. They have some really cool online selections for fabrics. They have luxury fabric, and so I don't know when I'm going to go to New York again, so this is the best option for me right now. So I'm so excited to have access to all these pretty fabrics. Okay, so here are the fabrics right here. I have 3 of them, so I'm going to take a look. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited because these fabrics are really nice for spring and summer. Actually, you know what? I wear bright colors all year round. So I'm gonna wear these all year round because you can layer stuff in the wintertime. Let's talk about this first fabric. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open it up after I look at each of them with you all. So this one is a Viscose charmeuse from Italy. Look at that pretty print. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love Viscose. So the next one we have, ooh, this is cool. Oh, this is like pretty, very beautiful florals. I love florals. Oh my goodness. This is a Swiss cotton from Italy. And then we have this one. It is a stretch cotton denim from Italy. So we have this one as well. For this next part, we are going to go into, if you're a fabric geek like me, you're gonna really like this part. So since we can't go in person and see these fabrics, I just want to explain to you all the drape, the feel, the movement. We're also going to talk about the structure and some garments that I can use, that I can make out of them, which I have some ideas already flowing around. So yeah, let's get into that part. And so this first one, we'll go back to it. The paintbrush, it's called Paintbrush Floral Viscose Charmeuse. I have 3 whole yards of this, y'all. You can make like, oh my gosh. Okay, I'll talk about making it a little bit. So let's look at the drape first. So if you have not worked with a viscose before, the viscose has it is a very drapey thing. So skirts and like blouses with like basically you can walk in the wind and you can see the garment flowing behind you. So this is a really nice drape. really nice and flowy drape. The feel of it is actually really soft. Charmeuse. Sorry, not charmeuse. Yeah, viscose is very like soft anyway, and this continues to be soft. The movement of it, I want you all to see that flow. Let me give you a close-up of it. Yeah. The structure, it is not structured at all. So don't think that you're gonna have a structure, like don't do a jacket with this because it will flop. It'll flop everywhere. So we're gonna talk about some garment uses. First thing that comes to mind is a dress, like a long summer dress, probably strapless, or maybe like one of the cutout dresses that has like the sides cut out, or like the back, or like around the neckline. Those will be really cool. Or even, I wouldn't say a blouse. You could do a blouse with it. I'm thinking about a long sleeve blouse with like bishop sleeves or something. But because I want this to be in the summer, I'm not going to do a bishop sleeve. But if you do viscose, I think that if you get viscose from them, you can definitely use that as an option. What else? A long skirt, like a flowy skirt. Right now I'm going through some body changes, being postpartum. So yeah, with that, you can do like, I can do elastic, but I don't like elastic all around. So it'll probably be like the front part of the waistband will just be like the strip of fabric, and then the back will be the elastic for like growing, shrinking, whatever I want to do over these next few years body wise. The next one is this, and I'll bring it a little bit closer and unravel it. This is Victorian rose print Swiss cotton from Italy. And this is another nice like summer. Okay, so I like this because I'll unravel this some. It's still a lot of yards, but not as many as the other one. It's 2 yards, so that, y'all, this is still a lot of yards. What I can do, let's see, it is a very, like, you could kind of see through it a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but from my point of view, I can see through it. So what that means is it's gonna be so great for the weather down here. I live in a very warm climate. In the summertime, it is so hot. It gets up to 90 to 100 degrees. So I need air flow. We'll talk about the drape first. So you can kind of see how it hangs. It has a really nice drape. And it feels soft as well. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft. I love natural fibers. I'm okay with like mix of fabrics, like a poly cotton or something like that. But I love it when it's just like 100% something. But a lot of my stuff is mixed. But let's see. What else? The movement. So this one kind of can blow in the wind, but it's gonna be not as flowy as that viscose that we just looked at. The structure of it, it does not have structure. See, when I do like that, it doesn't like bow out or anything. It just falls down. It's pretty floppy. And for garment uses, let's see. I think, gosh, I don't know, because the print, this is one I'm gonna have to think about. But offhand, I'm thinking of like, oh, I know, I got it. A button-up, like blouse, a button-up shirt. So you know how like you can wear like a white crisp shirt and some shorts? I can have this either as like a white button-up. Sorry, the ideas are coming to me. Okay. I can wear this as a white button up. I'm draping it over me so that you can get the effect. So it'll be a long sleeve button up that I can roll up because it'll be the summertime. And I want it to be long. Like, I want it to either go to my mid thigh or like, yeah, I want it to go to my mid thigh. I want it to be a long button up so that it can create like a layer, but it'll still, even though it's a layer in the summertime, I wear it with shorts and a shirt, and then I'll have this. But like I said, the wind is going to just pass right through this. Also with sweating, cotton is really nice because it'll just absorb it and it'll be easy to wash it. So yeah, oh my gosh, it's going to be so pretty. Oh my gosh, I want to show you all these Swiss dots. I don't know if I show that. Look at that. I've never seen that with like a print on it. I've only seen Swiss dot just like with a plain fabric, like a solid color. That's what I mean. That's so beautiful. I love these fabrics. Eee! Okay. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay. The next one is a designer stretch cotton denim. Marni, Italy. Marni may be the designer that it came from. This is 1.5 yards. So I'm gonna give you a close-up of that. The drape, it does not have a drape. So that's gonna give us some different garment options. It does not have a drape, as you can see. I mean, okay, technically it does have a drape. When I think about drape, I think about like when it hangs, it kind of like, I don't know, I can't describe it. It hangs a certain way. But here's the drape. Like if you put it down, yeah, you can kind of see it has, it's more stiff than my other two fabrics. The feel is a very sturdy feeling, like pants. It's a bottom weight. So that's the first thing that comes to mind for this. The movement, it does not have flowy movement like the other one. And then we have the structure. This is very structured, which is so much fun. I love that. Like, look, if you hold it, like it doesn't flop as much as the other ones. And even doing like this, like see how this top right here just goes straight across? That is very structured compared to this cotton. If I hold it straight across, see how it like goes down some? So that is not going to be, that is not structured fabric. And some garment uses. When I was just thinking about the last one, thinking about this fabric and doing a button-up shirt that's long, this would make some perfect shorts. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. This will make some really nice shorts. So I can do shorts, and actually because this is so much, you wouldn't think 1.5 yards would be this much fabric to make. I'm thinking about making shorts and a top, like a crop top. But like, okay, so the crop top will have straps, 2 straps, and then straight across, and then we'll stop like right here, and then make the shorts high-waisted to either show like a little bit, just a little bit of skin, no belly button. I don't like to show the belly button, but just a little bit of skin between the shirt and the pants. Or it can go over the shirt can go over the top of the pants, because I'll make it high-waisted, or mid-waist is really what it is. I don't do super high-waisted. My legs are too long. It makes me look weird, but but yeah, so oh my gosh, I love this fabric. I love all of them. It's so cool. So I would make this into shorts and a shirt, and then make this button up on top of it. So yeah, y'all stick around. I'm gonna make something out of one of these fabrics and I'm gonna post it once I make it. So stick around. I just dropped something. I just dropped my light. Stick around. I'm gonna make something out of one of those fabrics. And then I'm gonna come back and show you all. And yeah, if you have any garment suggestions, post them in the comments below. Head on over to EBT Fabrics. I will post a link to the store below so that you all can check them out. They have, I literally went through that whole website and I looked at all of the fabrics. So I just like looking at fabric. I'm such a geek like that. But anyways, if you like what you've seen today, you want to follow my journey of sewing my dream wardrobe, subscribe. Also, go head over to my website. It is pieceandmake.com. On my website, click around on there, check out some things. I have some fun blog posts. Also, subscribe to my newsletter. I'm going to put the link for that below. The algorithm, you may not always see my videos. The algorithm does not always make it so that all of my videos are visible. But what I'll do is keep you up to date in that newsletter. So go on ahead and subscribe there. And you can check me out on Instagram as well. The handle is @pieceandmake. So it's all piece and make across the board. Thank goodness I was able to do that to make it easy for you all. But yeah, I'm Tareya. Thanks for watching me today as I got these new pretty fabrics. Yay. Okay, bye.